What is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today my dear friends, before we proceed, I would like to greet you a Merry Christmas. Alright, and despite of all the problems that we are facing right now, just keep on praying everything will be done soon. Alright? And today I'm going to teach you if how to make a bootable device, how to make a Windows 7 installer, or for example, if you want to install Windows 7 as an operating system in your device or in any other device, then this video will help you to make your own bootable device Windows 7 operating system. Okay? We're gonna be needing two things, my dear friends. First one is the software Rufus, which is this one. What we are using right now to make a bootable device. And next, the ISO file of Windows 7 or any installer that you want. Okay, depending on the software that you want to install. You can easily download ISO files in getintopc.com. Okay, don't worry, link will be on the description below. Alright, so here's my flash drive, my dear friends. We're going to make it a bootable device, or as a bootable device Windows 7. Okay, first thing, open your Rufus, which is already opened. Then next, let's insert our flash drive on one of our USB ports. Okay, and it will automatically detect any device that is being right. There you go. We have 8 GB flash drive. Okay, the next we have boot selection. In here we may select the ISO file that I'm talking earlier. Okay, click select. Make sure that you've already downloaded the ISO file. Okay, I have so many installers here, my dear friends. Okay, they are actually stored in my external drive. Okay, in which I store my personal files, and at the same time my installers. Okay, there are so many installers. Yeah, if you want to borrow, then subscribe. Okay, we have here operating systems. There you go, my dear friends. Okay, because I've downloaded several ISO files of Windows 8, Windows 10 with MS Office 2019, Windows 10, Windows Vista, Windows 7 Ultimate. Okay, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So click on this ISO file. It consists of 3 GB, I think. Click open. Right? There you go. Now, let's proceed with partition scheme. GPT, change this one into MBR. Right? Then we're good to go, my dear friends. We'll just then click this start, and it will automatically start making or transforming your flash drive into a bootable device. Warning, all data on device will be reformatted. Okay, click OK. Then all you need to do for now, since it's already starting to make or turn your flash drive as a bootable device Windows 7, is to wait. Okay, there you go. It's already starting. This will take time. Then later on, I'm going to show you how it looks like when it's already being turned as bootable device for Windows 7. Wait. There you go, my dear friends. We're done turning our flash drive into a bootable device. There you go. Windows 7, the setup file. We can now use it as a bootable flash drive if you want to install Windows 7 as operating system in your device or any other device. Alright, so that's it for now, my dear friends. Hope you've learned something, and see you again next time.